So Char
Koay Teow.
Char Koay Teow.
Are you ready to eat again?
We're in Penang now.
Penang! Gang, 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 gang.
Wow, Penang is really hot, guys.
No, it's so sunny here. Because there's no trees.
Whoa, what is this place?
Leng Char Koay Teow.啊，两个一起的。这个。Hello。巴厘饼。2杯给他。
什么2杯？
安布拉1杯给他酸的，然后巴厘饼。
巴厘饼酸甘蔗不要太甜。
OK。好吃吗？好吃吗？好吃，好吃吗，宝宝？
吃。
好，谢谢。
I like noodles. Penang is more of this style.
Yeah.
So
Char Koay Teow.
Char Koay Teow. Penang butcher is more on the lighter side. With more seafood. We got 2 jumbo like shrimps in them. And a little more spicy here. Yeah, that's what I noticed.
We'll go to some other stores too. This is a famous store here.
Oh, really?
We'll always say it's famous then. It is famous.
Yeah.
I usually don't like Char Koay Teow, but I like it here.
You liked it here? Oh, wow. I liked it. It was really spicy. No, not really spicy, like pleasantly spicy. Enough flavors. Oh, and the crackles.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Really tiny cockles that gives umami boost.
Yeah. It was like fresh too. Yeah, but not raw. Ooh. I'm loving it so far. Penang, doing well.
小的一碗这个是。不要鱼丸吗？不要鱼丸啊！不要鱼丸，谢谢。
Yeah, we also ordered the Penang version of the laksa.
It's almost like udon texture.
Yeah, udon noodles.
A lot of ingredients and
Yeah.
fish. 好吃哦！
对啊，我看它的样子是好吃啊。好吃过巴厘饼了。
Lots of flavors.
巴厘饼那
A lot of herbs.
也不一样的吧，普罗不同的，有一个普罗啊，
甜的巴厘饼那个。Nice.
Yeah, it's like a soury, herby. Yeah.
Beware of chilies.
Oh, really?
Start sweating.
It's delicious.
It's good. Oh, so fragrant. It's really good. The sauce tastes like this Korean fried chicken sauce.
Oh,
Yeah, the sweet sour, sweet chili one. Yeah.
with the black thing.
I don't know what the black thing is.
It's really good together.
Yeah. Oh, it's so good.
We're asking the food guy where he goes for food.
Yeah.
Because we know his palate based on the food that he cooks now.
Right.
And we can follow him.
Because he makes the deep fried stuff. Oh, I know. That was really good. Oh my god. The sauce was fantastic.
Everything here is so good. From the Char Koay Teow to laksa and the deep fried stuff. Yeah.
It's the restaurant Tong Hooi.
Tong Hooi.
Listen, the tempura was so crispy outside. The meat, the filling, so juicy. And the sauce was a killer. Is that sauce like homemade or is it more?
You can ask him later.
Yeah. Oh, sauce was like,
Bomb.
yeah, like you cannot like chuck anything in it. Nothing spicy. Yeah.
So on our way out, we asked the deep fried people. He recommended us a place to go tonight, a big night market.
Yeah. Oh, this place is really, really good. All the food's really, really good. I don't know what else to say.
I know.
It's one of the better foods. And you know what? It's a good start to in Penang.
It is.
It's a good food start in Penang.
I'm happy.
Very happy.
And the people are so nice here too.
Hell yeah. Alright guys, we just checked in.
Our Airbnb in Penang.
Yeah, this place is pretty sick. We're already kind of like
A studio going on.
yeah, we already kind of opened up our bags, got comfortable. We're gonna take a short break and then we're gonna head out to eat more.
Yes.
Maybe,
Surprise, surprise. We're gonna go eat again.
yeah, we're gonna grab some Starbucks
Coffee.
coffee.
Ah.
Ah,
Ah. Ooh, it smells good in here.
I know. Ooh. What do you want?
I'll just drink a sip of what you want.
Yeah? Hold on. That sounds so expensive. Oh shit.
Oh wow. That's expensive. Because we're used to like 2 ringgit stuff now.
This is like basically like ramen all over again.
I want this square donut, but we're eating soon.
Oh, it's so interesting looking.
I have never seen donut like that.
Yeah.
And they call it donut square.
Yeah. I always see a curry puff.
Oh, have you had it before?
Not in Starbucks. One thing I like about Asia, they have a big size like coffee.
Wait.
Right? So that's an Asian thing.
We don't have it in Australia.
Yeah, and I'll show you in Korea the biggest cup you can possibly see. It's like this big.
Really?
People carry around this big like cup.
Bigger than like North America size.
It's about there, but it's
Wow.
just coffee, like black coffee.
Oh wow.
I'll show you.
Thank you.
That's enough, right? Alright, that's it.